Have you ever wondered what a robotics engineer does? It's not all about building futuristic robots. In the fascinating world of robotics engineering, there's so much more to explore beyond the creation of metallic companions. Robotics engineers are the brains behind the design, application, and even testing of robots, proving that their roles extend far beyond the assembly line. At its core, robotics engineering is a broad field, encompassing several distinct but interrelated disciplines. It's not merely about building robots, but rather creating an intricate dance between mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, and computer science. Each of these individual fields brings a unique piece to the puzzle, and together, they form the bigger picture that is robotics engineering. Mechanical engineering comes into play in the physical design and construction of robots. It's about understanding how each cog, gear, and joint comes together to form a functioning unit. Electrical engineering, on the other hand, breathes life into these mechanical structures. It involves creating circuits and systems that power the robots, allowing them to move and operate. But what good is a moving robot without a purpose or function? That's where computer science steps in. It's the brain of the operation, providing robots with the ability to process information, make decisions, and execute tasks. Through programming and software development, computer science equips robots with the intelligence they need to be useful in our world. But remember, these fields don't exist in isolation within robotics engineering. They are interdependent, each contributing to the creation of sophisticated robots that can perform a variety of tasks. From performing precise surgical procedures to exploring the harsh terrains of Mars, robots serve a multitude of purposes, all thanks to the combined efforts of these fields under the umbrella of robotics engineering. A robotics engineer, then, is a master of many disciplines, all aimed at creating and utilizing robots in the most effective ways. So, what exactly does a day in the life of a robotics engineer look like? One might imagine a scene straight out of a science fiction movie, but the reality is both more exciting and grounded. At the heart of their role, robotics engineers are problem solvers, innovators, and creators. They design, build, and maintain robots, but their responsibilities go far beyond that. In the world of robotics engineering, the design process is where the magic begins. Engineers sketch out ideas, create prototypes, and then transform these models into fully functioning robots. This process involves a deep understanding of mechanics, electronics, and software, as these elements intertwine to create the robots we see and interact with. But the job doesn't stop at design. Robotics engineers also write software to control the movements and functionality of these robots. They program the robots to perform certain tasks, from the simple to the complex, ensuring that the robot can interact with its environment in the desired way. Research is another critical aspect of a robotics engineer's role. They delve into the frontiers of what's possible, pushing the boundaries and expanding the potential uses of robots. Whether it's exploring how robots can assist in medical procedures, contribute to disaster relief, or even help explore other planets, the possibilities are truly limitless. And like any tech field, robotics engineering involves troubleshooting. Robots, as sophisticated as they may be, can encounter issues or malfunctions. When this happens, it's up to the robotics engineer to diagnose the problem, find a solution, and implement it. This process is crucial to ensure the robot's longevity and functionality. Now, it's important to note that the specifics of these roles can vary depending on the industry. A robotics engineer in the automotive industry might focus more on manufacturing robots, while one in the healthcare sector might work on robots that assist in surgeries. From design to deployment, a robotics engineer plays a crucial role in every step of a robot's life cycle. Regardless of the industry, these engineers are shaping the future one robot at a time. You might be wondering, why does all this matter? Well, the impact of robotics engineering is immense, and it's reshaping our world in ways you might not even realize. Consider the manufacturing industry. Robotics engineering has revolutionized assembly lines, increasing efficiency and productivity. Robots don't tire, they don't need coffee breaks, and they can perform repetitive tasks with precision around the clock. This leads to faster production times, lower costs, and higher quality products. But the influence of robotics engineering extends far beyond manufacturing. In the healthcare sector, it's transforming lives and pushing the boundaries of what's medically possible. Surgeons now use robotic systems to perform intricate procedures with greater accuracy and minimal invasiveness. This advancement has led to quicker patient recovery times and a notable reduction in surgical complications. Let's zoom out a bit and look at space exploration. Thanks to robotics engineering, we've been able to send rovers to Mars, capturing stunning images and invaluable data about the red planet. These robotic explorers are our eyes and ears in environments too hostile or distant for human presence, ushering in a new era of discovery and understanding. And these are just a few examples. Robotics engineering is also making waves in sectors like agriculture, where it's helping to optimize crop yield and reduce environmental impact. It's enhancing safety in industries like mining and construction, where robots can perform dangerous tasks, reducing the risk of human injury. In essence, the work of a robotics engineer isn't just about building robots. It's about creating solutions to complex problems, improving processes, and pushing the limits of what we thought was possible. It's about enhancing human capability and shaping a future where machines and humans work together for the betterment of society. The work of a robotics engineer, therefore, has far-reaching implications that can transform our lives in significant ways. This is why the field of robotics engineering matters, and why the role of a robotics engineer is so vital in our rapidly evolving world. Interested in becoming a robotics engineer? Here's what you need to know. Venturing into the world of robotics engineering begins with an educational journey. It's not just about wires, metal, and coding. The cornerstone of this journey is building a strong foundation in mathematics and science. Consider this as the first step on your path. Start by honing your skills in subjects such as algebra, calculus, and physics during high school. These subjects are the building blocks that will help you understand the complex theories and principles that underpin robotics engineering. Once you've established this foundation, the next step is to pursue a bachelor's degree in engineering, preferably in fields like mechanical, electrical, or computer engineering. These programs typically offer courses in robotics, allowing you to gain an introduction to the field while also strengthening your knowledge in fundamental engineering concepts. But don't stop there. Robotics is a rapidly evolving field, and a master's degree in robotics or a related field can give you an edge. Here, you'll delve deeper into the world of robotics, learning about advanced topics such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and robot design. Education, however, is not just about textbooks and lectures. It's about applying what you've learned. That's where internships and projects come in. Internships provide you with a real-world experience, allowing you to work on actual robotics projects, solve real problems, and learn from professionals in the field. Personal projects, on the other hand, allow you to experiment, innovate, and create. They give you a platform to apply your knowledge, test your skills, and learn from your mistakes. And throughout this journey, remember the importance of soft skills. Robotics engineering isn't a solitary endeavor. It involves teamwork, communication, and problem solving. So while you're working on your technical skills, don't forget to develop these essential soft skills as well. With dedication, curiosity, and a love for problem solving, you could be the next great robotics engineer. So let's sum up what we've learned about robotics engineers. In the fascinating world of robotics engineering, we've explored a realm where creativity meets technology. Robotics engineers stand at the forefront of this dynamic field, playing a pivotal role in designing, building, and maintaining robots. These talented individuals carry a blend of mechanical, electrical, and software engineering skills, bringing forth innovations that shape our future. We delved into the many roles a robotics engineer can take on. From designing complex robotic systems to troubleshooting and improving existing ones, their work is diverse and challenging. They work in a variety of sectors like healthcare, space exploration, manufacturing, and more, leaving their innovative footprint across multiple industries. We also saw the remarkable impact of robotics engineering. Robots are no longer confined to the realm of science fiction. They're here, in our factories, hospitals, homes, and even the depths of space. The work of robotics engineers is reshaping our world, making it more efficient, safer, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The path to becoming a robotics engineer is an exciting journey. It often starts with a strong foundation in STEM, followed by a bachelor's degree in a related field. From there, specialized training and hands-on experience open the door to this innovative profession. But remember, the journey doesn't end with a degree. The field of robotics is ever evolving, and so too is the learning curve for those who dare to navigate it. In essence, robotics engineering is about more than just robots. It's about problem solving, innovation, and shaping the world of tomorrow. It's a field that promises endless possibilities and the chance to make a real difference. So, as we wrap up, remember that the future of robotics is not just in the hands of the engineers of today, but also in the hands of those who have yet to step into this exciting realm. Robotics engineering is a fascinating and impactful field, and who knows, maybe one day you'll be the one shaping the future of robotics.